Hi audience, how are you today? We meet again. It's Dr. Poonam Bali. I'm a homeopath and cosmetologist. That means I'm a skin and hair expert. Today we're going to talk about a very commonly heard and queried problem, which is of frizzy hair. Of course, nobody wants to have flying dry hair. You want to have nice, long, lustrous, luxurious, shiny, and smooth hair. Let's understand what can be the reasons. I think fundamentally it will be to start with your internal health. If you have a lot of dryness due to maybe some sluggishness in your digestive system, which does not allow to absorb the water, even the water that you drink is not absorbed, it can lead to dryness of the hair. So that can be a big reason. And then the lack of proper, healthy, balanced diet, which comprises of lots of fresh fruits and vegetables and nice maybe dry fruits, or even to some extent some oil or any fat, which everybody, due to watching their weights, they deplete it completely, which is not really balanced anymore. So that can lead to very dry hair, and then they become frizzy and they start breaking. So you'll start losing very fast your hair, which are getting frizzy. Um, the other reason can be an overuse of harsh shampoos or any hair products, like too much of coloring, chemical coloring or straightening, perming, any chemical treatments for the hair. Now, if one wants to be fashion conscious and one wants to try different looks of, different hair color or style of perming or straightening or rebonding or whatever, then you have to be doubly cautious that you also, treat your hair with some care, because you are abusing it with a lot of chemicals. You need to counteract it with a lot of additional hair care, which means regular oil massages, doing hair spa. Now, hair spa is a very commonly heard word these days, but basically it means to condition your hair, to nourish your hair, to hydrate your hair, moisturize it. So there are two contents of either skin or hair. There's an oil and there is a water content. Both need to be in balance. We need to address both. And if you are depleted of either one, it will lead to problems. So if you are having frizzy hair, it's good chances that you've had lots of these abuses due to either internal health, neglected health, due to neglected diet, or due to overuse of these chemical agents. Then we need to use good amount of oil massages. Now, the best oil I would advise, or in my experience, is a combination of castor oil, which is arandi ka tel, just to understand what is castor oil, olive oil, a good quality olive oil, and almond oil, pure almond oil. You make a combination with equal proportion, and you could even sometimes add a little honey to it if the hair are very dry, because that acts as a softening agent. You apply it nicely on your hair. Cover every strand of your hair with this oil. You could use a little brush or a cotton to really lace every strand of the hair with this mixture, and you allow it to stay ideally overnight. You could use a shower cap and cover your hair, not to get your pillow messy. And then in the morning you just wash it with a nice soft daily use shampoo, or even a herbal shampoo, which is normally a combination of Rita, Amla, Shikakai, aloe vera, then few other plant extracts and herbal agents. You could use that. I mean, that's one shampoo we also sell at our place, and we use it for treatments. And this will largely take care of your frizzy hair a lot. And you could use hair spas as well. A good quality hair spa done about once a week will also help a lot in removing the frizziness, which basically originates from the dryness of the hair. And just give a natural styling. Try to avoid too much of heat drying while your hair are still not treated. If they continue to be frizzy, just nourish it and pamper it with all these nice treatments, and not abuse it anymore for some time with all the colors and with the drying, too much of ironing. And I'm sure you would end up with the nice, soft, lustrous hair. Uh, let me know if these things, suggestions have helped you after you've used them, and send your queries. I would be very happy to answer them for you.